Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate HubSpot import tool using authenticated access, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate the HubSpot import tool using authenticated access, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings icon located in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, find the integrations section on the left sidebar and click on it. Select API key from the integrations options. If you haven't generated an API key yet, click on Create API Key. Follow the prompts to name your API key and generate it. Once the API key is created, copy it to your clipboard for later use. Next, head over to the HubSpot import tool interface. Begin the import process by selecting the type of data you wish to import, such as contacts or companies. When prompted for authentication, choose the option for Authenticated Access. Paste your API key into the designated field. Click Authenticate to verify your connection. Once the authentication is successful, you will be redirected back to the import settings. Continue filling in the necessary fields for your data import. Review your settings and data mappings to ensure everything is correct. When ready, initiate the import by clicking the Start Import button. Monitor the progress of your import through the provided notifications. After the import is complete, check the imported data for accuracy. If you encounter any issues, refer back to the HubSpot documentation for troubleshooting tips. With these steps, you have successfully authenticated the HubSpot import tool using authenticated access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.